If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to TWT video update. The last time I talked about TWT was regarding this ascending triangle. People are saying it's a bull flag or it looks like a bull flag. Unfortunately, that I didn't see it as a bull flag, but I saw it more like a descending triangle here. But I told you it depends on which direction you are going to break out of, and if you could have broken out here, 1.3 could have been your technical target, but you decided to actually break to the upside, came for the retest, shoot back to the technical target here, back to where the triangle was forming, and that's where you've actually met the technical target. Now there's one more technical target. I don't know if they're gonna decide to push the price is even higher, but you know, we have a technical target all the way up to even $4.6, but I cannot really say for sure that if it's the plan or the idea for them to actually push the prices higher. So you can see for some few weeks, 1-2 weeks, actually you made some sideways movement right there, and if you try to break above 2.7, that they could actually push it all the way up to 4.5, and that's actually going to be a nice good trading opportunity for a 64% move up. So it really depends right now. I just want to look on the 4-hour time frame as well, and let's talk about the 4-hour time frame. I just want to see the RSI because right now a lot of coins are looking to go for the overbought department on the RSI as well. So you guys have to be careful about one thing. The first thing I'm saying is that we really need to get above 2.719 and close above 2.719 to make new structures to actually climb all the way up to 4.5, but you're not doing that because when you do something like this, you can have a threat of making one top and a second top, making a double top, and from here come down and finally move all the way to 1.3. So that's something you have to keep in mind. So it's always a better idea to wait for the break above 2.7, backtest 2.7, or maybe even backtest 2.388, something like this, and then continue higher and higher. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on TWT. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.